Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Atlas blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has the FX4 off-road package as well as the mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust, tow hitch of course, rear park sensing, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection. We got a nice black hood deflector in the front, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice textured cloth interior with bronze accents, plenty of door space, bronze accents on the door, 2 cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 with bronze accents of course. And of course if you need more room you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space, you have your parking brake there and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 57.7 kilometers. We also have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your menu, phone, playback and play forward, volume voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, come on, you do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you got a fair bit of storage with storage down underneath as well. Nice little pen slot, cup holders of course, leather wrap center console with the bronze accents. Does flip up for a nice little workstation, which is always nice. And we do have storage underneath as well with 2 USB-Cs. Storage right here with the USB and USB-C. Drive modes, rear locking differential, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer disconnect. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, off-road, tow and haul, eco, and sport. And continue our look over here, you got your climate controls, a 12 volt, 120, got that nice storage right there with the F-150 logo, storage right there, bronze accents along the center here, storage above, and we have our auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, downhill, and traction. We have our navigation right there, our audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation again. These little red dots have shown you where your vehicle's been, which is pretty handy. Your fave app, which you can select from these few, messaging, email, so on and so forth. Your apps in general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Your settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA23897, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.